Jesus, salamat po Lord sa blessing I'm about to eat, Lord. May this food will give me nourishment, better health, Lord. And Lord, happy Mother's Day. Ngayon araw ng mga mommy around the world, Lord. You'll bless them, O Lord. Give them strength, better health, O Lord, because they're the light. And they are the light of their respective homes, dear God. Please protect them and may you provide all their needs, O Lord, and provide them stronger emotionally, physically, spiritually, and all angles, O Lord, because they are the source of strength that their children will lean on, O Lord. Anytime they want their mother's comfort, Lord, and happy Mother's Day to all. God bless and thank you very much for all these blessings that I'm about to partake, dear God. For all these things I pray. Amen. Hello everyone! Happy Mother's Day to all of you, mga mami, mga ina ng tahanan dyan na nagkaroon ng mga anak. Ako, foster mommy lang po ako kasi meron po akong mga foster children, digital. Digital like Orletano, Habibi Agom, Mary Ann Agom, those are one among my foster children. Also, feeling ko na rin naman yung mga kasamahan ko sa digital world, no? They are my foster children, no? And happy Mother's Day to all the mommy around the world. This is my gift for you. And by the way, thank you Auntie Nene. Shout out to Auntie Nene and Ate Jen who personally, Ate Jen Manlasan Discalera personally delivered this stuff, this mango. And Lord Yoyo Timo, Yoyo Chutim, thank you so much, Yo, for planting this mango. We enjoy, even though you're already in paradise, but we enjoy your fruit of labor. And mingo po tayo dyan. Ito po ang ulam ko, partner ko sa fish. No? Tsaka, of course, with rice. May rice siglaniging. God bless everyone. Enjoy eating po tayo. And happy Mother's Day around the world. Sa lahat mga friends ko dyan, na this maybe I'll sing songs now for mothers later. So because this is your day, today is your day. God bless everyone. And to Mamang in paradise, Mamang, we miss you so much and thank you for everything. Now we love you, Mamang. You know that, and thank you for for all your nabasa. Hindi pwede. Yan, Mamang, you're our source of strength and you are a good example to each one of us. God bless everyone and basta mamang na natin no, magkaano na tayo. Maging emotional na tayo. Yan. God bless everyone and happy Mother's Day to all the mommy around there. My friends, Ate Josita, Inday, basta daghan kay mo, Inday, Rosalina, and all the classmates, batch 92, in college, elementary, lahat kayo in my masteral level in nursing, in my physical therapy. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies, my classmates, mga colleagues, no, around the world. Happy Mother's Day to all of you guys. And mga ka-flowers ko, happy Mother's Day sa mga mami dyan. Mama, and this is Motivator Gliniging Banlasan. Mama, I love you all. I love you all. And sa mga kapatid ko, Ate Nenen, Indi Aiding, Manang Vilma, Ate Cherry, Ate Esther, Marcia, mga pamangkin, no, mga in-laws ko, Marcia, Ayen, no, Ayen is about to deliver her baby, so soon to be a mommy. And also, Mimi, Susain, Derleth, Mami Lalang, Mama Bem, Mama Vanessa, Nanay Henny, Indefe, alam ko dahil na we are not blessed, no? You are like me, Indefe, Lord Banlasan, you are not blessed to have really a biological child, but then through Nonoy, your brother's children, no, you feel you have foster children, yeah, through Billy Mark, no, mga anak ni Nunoy and the rest of his children. Also Adrian and Andoy and also Kate, Margot, the extended family. And thank you everyone to all mga aunties na ko din ha. Happy Mother's Day no. Tsaka daghan di na ako ma-mention kay ma-short na akong time. God bless everyone. Baka wala mo lang daw sa akong video kay taas na kayo. God bless everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all of you guys.